The Samsung Galaxy S10 has arrived, and it's making waves. With its stunning design and cutting-edge technology, this phone is definitely a game changer. Let's dive into what makes the Samsung Galaxy S10 stand out from the crowd. First up, the display. Samsung has always been known for their vibrant screens, and the Samsung Galaxy S10 takes it to the next level with a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED display. The colors pop, the blacks are deep, and the refresh rate of 120 Hz ensures buttery-smooth scrolling and gaming. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or playing the latest mobile game, you're in for a treat. Now, let's talk about performance. With the latest Snapdragon processor and ample 8 GB RAM, multitasking feels effortless. Switching between apps is seamless, and demanding games run like a charm. Camera enthusiasts will be thrilled too. The Samsung Galaxy S10 features a triple-lens setup, including a 12-megapixel main sensor. The low-light performance is exceptional, making those nighttime shots surprisingly clear. Plus, the new AI features help enhance your photography skills, ensuring you capture the perfect moment every time. Battery life? No worries here. With a robust battery that lasts all day and supports fast charging, you'll spend less time tethered to a wall and more time enjoying your phone. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S10 is a powerhouse packed with features. From its gorgeous display to its impressive performance and camera capabilities, it's a phone that truly delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for a flagship smartphone, make sure to put the Samsung Galaxy S10 at the top of your list.